How's it going? I'm Andrew with Investors Hub, and this is the news and market recap for the week of April 19th. So we'll start off with what happened legislatively. So on Monday, the House of Representatives passed the Safe Banking Act, and that was passed with bipartisan support. And what it does is it basically allows cannabis operators to use banks properly. It'll allow them to do tax write-offs that they weren't able to do before, and should save them money in the long term and improve their profitability. So that's going to be great for the cannabis industry. Then we also heard on Thursday that the House passed a bill to allow D.C. to become a state. And that one did not have bipartisan support. That was along party lines, which is understandable because D.C. is about as blue as a place can get. So I think the main problem is the fact that we go up to 51 stars. And we already got too many stars on the flag, so not only will we add even more stars, but it would be an odd number, and that wouldn't be right. So I have a compromise. I have a theory, okay? What we can do is we can go down to 38 stars, right? Because it's not fair that the 13 original colonies get both a star and a bar. You don't need that, Connecticut. So that way we have everyone represented on the flag and we don't have so many damn stars in the box. So the theme in the market this week has been bad news for big names and also my investing account because I'm a big dumb idiot, and you'll learn more about that later. So Tesla's share price dropped $40 on Monday after reports of fatalities in an allegedly driverless car. There were people in the car, but no one was behind the wheel when it crashed. Their bodies were found in the back seat and front passenger seat. Reuters reported witnesses mentioning that people in the car left to test the driverless systems. Elon tweeted out that their servers received no confirmation data that would indicate a driverless system was engaged, and that they hadn't purchased the driverless upgrade package for their car in the first place. There are security features in Teslas that prevent driverless mode from being activated without a butt in the driver's seat and hands on the wheel, but some drivers with Consumer Report were able to trick the autopilot of a different Tesla model from the one in the crash. They put a weighted chain on the wheel and scooted over the top of the center console without opening the doors, and they were able to get the car to drive itself. So also related to Elon Musk, he's joining the board of the company Endeavor, which is an entertainment company that's worth about $10 billion. And that company tried to go public in 2019 and is trying again, and so that's why they're taking Elon on the board. So there was a bit of a sell-off leading into Apple's spring tech reveal on April 20th. Share prices dropped about 2% and haven't fully recovered as of Friday morning when I'm writing this. The big flex was all about their products using their new M1 processor, which is reportedly much faster than the Intel chips they were using before, and they're proprietary. They say their new iMac desktop computers are considerably slimmer and faster than the old ones. Faster iPads are using the M1 chips, high frame rate HDR from Apple TVs, along with dongles and bits in general for the Apple TV, and little tags that you can stick on your stuff and find using the Find My app. Apple is also reporting earnings next week on the 28th. So Netflix got a 10% chunk blown out of its share price after missing some Q1 analyst predictions. They beat earnings per share soundly and revenue a little bit, but they fell about 33% short on number of new subscribers. They only got around 4 million instead of 6 million. They only expect 1 million new subscribers in Q2 and are working on cracking down on password sharing. Bitcoin dropped below 50,000 this week because I bought some, that's why. And Coinbase's share price also kept sliding all this week. The SPY itself didn't do too hot this week unless it makes a big recovery on Friday. We're down about 1% for the week as of Friday open, and there were big dips on Monday, Tuesday, and late Thursday. As to why I'm a big stupid idiot, guess who played short-term calls on Monday and Tuesday? This guy. Guess who guessed a sweet rebound on a dip and then was up 30%, then got greedy? This guy. Guess who got a chunk blown out of his account? Oh, it's this guy. The Dow Jones is also down the same amount, not as much as my portfolio, so that's good for the rest of you, but it's down as much as the SPY. Thanks for watching, and if you like the content, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share. If DC becomes a state, how would you arrange the stars on the flag? I want to hear your comments, and I'll see you again soon.